My name is Alex Hoffer. I am the Chief Revenue Officer for Hoffer Plastics. Hoffer Plastics is an injection molder that specializes in 4 primary markets: packaging, automotive, appliance, and consumer industrial. We chose Shibaura machine because they've always been reliable. They're a brand that we can count on because there are people behind the brand that we know and we have grown to trust over the years. From a performance standpoint, Shibaura machine has allowed us to achieve some of our corporate metrics in terms of cycle savings and in terms of machine uptime. In fact, over the last few years, as we've compared Shibaura machine to some of our other machine manufacturers that we have in our facility, they have just simply performed better. Our customers need product more efficiently and quicker than ever before. As we say around here, we live in an Amazon world, and Amazon's working on figuring out how to get products to people even later in the same day. So for example, in a world where we're trying to get product to customers in a more timely fashion, cycle savings is a big deal for us. Our greatest achievement with Shibaura machines has been cycle savings on the products that we selected to run in those presses. We've saved a few seconds here and there on a number of products, and when you collectively put all that together, we've seen great increases in efficiency. We've actually freed up one press to be able to run another job. Purchasing Shibaura machines has helped improve our business from the standpoint of the reliability factor of the machine. I know it sounds pretty basic, but from an executive leadership standpoint, the fact that I don't have to hear about Shibaura machines breaking down constantly, or reliability issues with the machine, or customer service issues with the machine, is a gift to me, and it really frees our plant managers to do what we need them to do, which is mold products for our customers, focusing on the customer and not on the equipment in the plant. And that is the truest and best benefit of purchasing the Shibaura machine, is that we haven't had to focus on the machine. And that isn't the case with some of the other machines that we have purchased in the past. One of the benefits in purchasing Shibaura machines has been in our training. We have been given support from real human beings with Shibaura. Located in the Chicagoland area, we've had access to people who can come visit our facility and come even at a moment's notice. These relationships have helped us not only learn the new controller and learn the machine, but they've helped our people become comfortable with new technology. The benefit from an ownership standpoint is we've had people on our team who want us to purchase new Shibaura machines because they're comfortable and they know how to use them. And this really increases our proficiency in using them and always helps serve the customer better. If someone's considering buying Shibaura machine, I would tell them, go talk to their sales representative. That's what we did, and it turned into buying multiple machines. Shibaura machines have been reliable for us, and I believe they'll be reliable for you.